Here I have XIAOMI Mi Mix 2S, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer files on this device or from this device as you please. You can transfer files from any other Android device to any other iPhone device, and vice versa, like from iPhone to the Android, from iPhone to iPhone, from Android to Android. Do as you please. All you have to do is to just download this app, sent anywhere from the Play Store on the Android, from the App Store on the iPhone. Open these apps. Then, when you open it for the first time, you have to accept terms of service and privacy policy, tap confirm, then tap continue, grant all the accesses which this app requires. Then, if you want to receive file, just go to the receive. If you want to send file, go to send. As you can see, you can send photos, videos, contacts, files. So let's send, for example, some photo. Tap send. Then, to receive this photo, what you have to do is to just enter this 6-digit code, or you can share link, open link and get this file, or the easiest method, you can just grant access to the camera, then go to this barcode and get this image instantly. And as you can see, now I have this image on my device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.